Ngokwani lokhu. That's how you ask the question, what is this for in Ndebele? So say it again after me. Ngokwani lokhu. Okay. However, the question changes depending on what we're talking about exactly. So in this video, let me give you 5 different scenarios where you ask the question, what is this for? Depending on the item that you're talking about. Scenario number 1, someone just hands you some money, and so you want to ask, what's this money for? Ngeyani imali leyi. Okay? Ngeyani imali leyi. Or you can say ngiyabonga and take the money. Number 2, you're spring cleaning in your house and you come across these metals, maybe metal rods in the cupboard or something. So you're wondering why you have those in the house. All right? So you're going to say this. Ngezani insimbi lezi. Okay? So insimbi means metal. Ngezani insimbi lezi. What are these metals for? Or if they're really annoying you, you will actually say, kanti vele ngezani insimbi lezi. Just what are these metals for? All right. Scenario number 3, it's whereby someone is losing their temper and you have no idea why. So you ask them, ulaga ngolwani. What is the anger for? Okay. Next scenario, you stay with someone who loves sadza, pap. Okay. And now they're cooking it even in the morning. So you want to ask them, what is the sadza for? So early in the morning. All right. Isichwala ngesani ekuseni kangaka. That's how you ask the question. And lastly, people are making noise in the middle of the night. So you walk up to them and say, umsindo ngowani ebusuku kangaka. What is the noise for? So late at night. I hope you're understanding. Hope you're following with me and improving on your Ndebele. Okay. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to teach you in Ndebele, and maybe I'll make a video for you. All right. See you in the next lesson.